Hello everyone, this is Cindy from ZDMT company. Today I will show you this press brake machine. This machine is for bending the sink in the kitchen. Its capacity is 110 tons. The bending length is 3.2 meters. This press brake machine with TP10S CNC controller. This CNC controller is with easy operation. It has the function of angle programming. Its open head is bigger. It with customized punch shank. Quick clamping is easy to change the punch. This sharp punch and bottom dial is customized for bending the sink. The machine with 2 front support arms. This machine has 4 stop fingers. They can move front and back. The stop fingers can move up and down by hand. And it can move front and back separately by micro adjusting here.